Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
आप देख रहे हो नीचे से कैसे पूरी टीम अभी ऊपर आए हैं और उसी के साथ साथ सोनम या फिर और जो 3 आरोपी है वो भी आगे ऊपर
पीछे 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 भाई 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 पीछे 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 हो जा हो गया watch out
Hadin weka sonam Raghuvanshi bat kiwe pat ki parlok Jaka klada peni haki pulit yaga Jaka bagi Pynïap yu Raja Raghuvanshi usupi Lieutenant of Police ke is khasi house ba vivek sim IPS blakaran jikilar pathai kubor parking lot jagowe saudong pada kejingkeran jong ulong banano bekla pla badano bekla wan peni yaga Jaka bagi Pynïap kamkot tangkata hindagi pulit kilaong Bekihap bandang tokit syu-syu namar padang bun kidak jengkeli halor ka jing Pynïap jengki yu Raja Raghuvanshi USP ulay thuru Haduh Mynta ka daw ka bagi pulit ki siya mi ka jing Pynïap jengki kede ka jing i laidong lani ka love triangle. Shushu ulong ba kumba ka pau ha ka postmortem bakadan ka dak ka baman arsin da ka wad nakli kadong shisha kumta kumba kilapla.
Out here is actually finding out its motive, though the preliminary investigation, as we have already said, that is a love triangle, but we are trying to explore if there's any other thing more. This investigation doesn't end here. Like, the accused have admitted, we've got evidence, we have reconstructed and admitted. It doesn't end here. We will explore if there's any other motive. Right now, the motive which appears in front of us is this love triangle. And we will explore further. See, there were, as per the postmortem report, there were 2 wounds on the head. So the third one which Anand has said, when he had taken his shot, he was very nervous, and I think it didn't make much of an impact. Also, if there's an impact, also the kind of decomposition which the body has had, the postmortem examination wasn't able to ascertain that gash out there. But the 2 head injuries from sharp weapons are very clear. I don't think so. There's any. He was actually just replying to what he said and all that. There was no crying.
How did she know about this place? Why did they choose this place?
According to them, it's by chance that they chose this place. They were actually all along wanted to actually finish him off. Like I said, right from Nongriap also, they wanted, but there was no place to dispose. So multiple places around, they looked. And when they just happened to move into this place, they found it was empty. And there was a viewpoint which they were hanging around out there in that viewpoint. So that was the chance they took.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs. This is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.